Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Otunba Yomi, and this channel is Travel Africa with Otunba Yomi. This is Sierra Leone, as we all know. But the topic I want to deal with today, which I want you and I to also benefit from, is what I call why we should stop comparing African countries. Let's celebrate Africa together. You all know that Africa is a collection of beautiful stories and powerful cultures. So I tell you, just like what you are seeing on your screen right now, this is Freetown. If you are conversant with Freetown, this is the road that leads to Wilkinson Road. Is Freetown not beautiful? Is Sierra Leone not beautiful? So today let's talk about why we should stop comparing African countries. And I'm going to be taking the points one after the other. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please, I want you to do so. I do this every time I talk about Africa and I talk about Africans because I believe so strongly in the project called Africa, or the story called Africa. So let's dive into the video right away. The first one is what I call comparing countries usually turn healthy discussions into rivalry. You understand what I'm saying? African countries are not rivals. We are supposed to be relatives. We shouldn't be rivals. So anyone comparing African countries to African countries, you should tell such a person to keep short or to keep whatever video he or she is making to himself or to herself. They should stop poisoning our people. Because when you try to compare countries in Africa, what you are doing unknowingly to you is that you are creating rivalry between African sisters and African brothers. So that's point number one. I move on very fast to point number two. Instead of comparing, let us connect. Let us connect rather than comparing. What can Kenya teach other African countries about wildlife conservation? Those are the things we should be saying. What can Nigeria learn from South Africa when it comes to tourism industry? These are the things we should be saying to connect together rather than comparing. Why are Nigerians so good in business? These are the things we're supposed to be doing rather than comparing. I tell you, growth happens through collaborations, not through competitions. I move on to number three. And that one I'm saying, let us celebrate our diversity. Let's celebrate our diversity. Every African country has its own heartbeat. Do you understand? The heartbeat of your country is the selling point of your country. That is, if you want your country to be marketable, that point is the heartbeat of your country or the selling point. Now let me give some examples. Ghana, for instance, they carry the warmth of hospitality here in Africa. They carry the warmth of hospitality. Kenya owns the magic of the savannah. Nigeria has the strength when it comes to rhythm of Afrobeat. Sierra Leone, for instance, shines with coastal peace and culture. And South Africa is a story of resilience with its mix of languages and history. I tell you guys, none of the above should be compared, but rather celebrated. I know some people may be wondering where I am right now. I am on Congo Crossroad down to Congo Town. So, when you see anyone comparing African countries, please remind them that we are not rivals, but rather we are relatives. Africa is one big home, or you can call it one big house. And that is why I always say that Africa is a project. So Africa is one big home with many rooms. And every room, that is every country, has something beautiful to offer. From the northern part of Africa to the eastern part, to the central, through the western part, to the southern part of Africa, there is no country amongst the 54 countries here in Africa that doesn't have anything, that doesn't have something beautiful to offer. I tell you, Africa is rich, Africa is beautiful, Some people choose. Some people choose to call us the raw materials of the world. Yes, I agree with them because we have all the raw materials. Everything it takes to make a vehicle, everything it takes to make telephone handsets, we have it here. Go to Congo, there are a lot of mineral resources. Go to South Africa, the same thing. Come to Sierra Leone here, we have diamond. The diamond of Sierra Leone is about the best in Africa. I tell you, there are a lot of beautiful things here in Africa. No wonder they say we are the raw materials of the world. Yes, there is no argument about that. We are truly the raw materials of the world. But the raw materials supposed to be processed to the end product. That is what we need to wake up to start doing in Africa. Let us extract or exhume the raw materials that we have and process it into the end product. It is not too bad if Africans start producing handset, telephone, mobile phones. It is not too bad. Yes, I know some African countries are producing their cars, like Ghana, like Nigeria, and I think either Uganda or Rwanda. Yes, we are coming up gradually. So that is why I am saying, that's me driving over there. That is why I am saying that we should not compare African sisters, African countries, African brothers anymore. No, we should rather connect, celebrate, and collaborate. That will really, really aid the growing or the growth of Africa. I tell you guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, this is what I do every time. I bring African countries to us and I say something good about Africa. I tell you, I see Africa as a very big project that you and I have a part to play in it. So, if you are seeing me for the first time, yes, I've introduced myself as Yomi. People, my friends call me Otunba Yomi. So if you believe in a united Africa, I want you to hit that like button. So also, I want you to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Then this particular video you're watching, I want you to share the video. Let it go viral and drop your comment as well with your country's name. Yes, I want you, if you're an African, I want to see the name of your country. Write it in the comment section. Let people know that we are united in Africa. Enough of comparing Nigeria and Ghana, Nigeria and South Africa. No, we don't want that unhealthy competitions any longer. We are brothers, we are relatives, we are not rivals.